no clue is not in her.
Today we have another quick wig review for you. Today's wig comes to us by Outre, and it is a lace front wig. The name of the unit is Bliss, and I have it in the color DR27613. Now, I love DR27613. It always just depends on the style. So as you can see on the model, it's more like a wavy hair. I think it's more wavy than curly. I'm not sure. We'll take it out and see. It is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees, and it comes in some really, really cute colors. DX2327, DX3033. It comes in more blondes. It comes in 425, which is a burgundy color, something like this one. So a lot of cute colors. And if you're interested in this wig, I will link this one in the description box below. The name of this wig is Nikki, and I think it's by Janet Collection. I'll link that below. So let's get into this one. This one is Bliss. And I'll tell you, I like the color already. So this is the color of it. And it's more of a wave. So this one's a wave curl, but this one is more of a, just like a wave, a longer wave. So looks like you get a bang maybe in the front here and some pieces on the side. So let's get into the cap construction. You have 2 combs on the side, and then you get a comb back here in the middle section, and then you get a comb in the back, and you get some adjustable straps. So this one here does come with lace, and I went ahead and I cut the lace off. And here is the parting area. Okay, you can see that. I hope you can. So let me get Nikki off, and we'll put Bliss on, and let's see if we like it. Okay, ladies, this is Miss Bliss on, and as you can see, she is a lot of hair. I plan to go through and just finger comb it. I do not want to go through it with a brush too much or with a comb, because I don't want it to get too big and too poofy. I'm going to use my Evelyn New York to just slick down the sides, and then I'm going to use a small tooth comb and push that side behind my ears. I plan to use just a little bit of holding spray in the front, and then I'm just going to take my fingers and go through and separate the hair, the waves out. I will come back to you at the end and tell you how I feel about Miss Bliss. Okay, this is the end, the finished product for Miss Bliss. And I will tell you that I think that she is cute, but I do have a couple of cons. So the first con that I have is it's a little thick. This wig, it's a little bit thick, and I could see it getting poofy. I didn't put anything on it, but I could see you having to put something on it. And when I say that, I mean water or mousse or something like that to kind of tame it, because it's really, really thick. Now, if it was in a black color or a darker natural color, I think it would be really pretty in that color because of the wave pattern that's on here. But in the blonde, it's just a little thick, and that's just for my taste. I do get a lot of shedding too. I've been getting like shedding. So I'm not sure if that's because of the way I'm brushing it, but I have been getting some shedding. Other than that, that's probably the 2 cons that I have. The thickness of it and the shedding. But don't count the wig out, because I have some pros. Pro number 1 is the cap construction. One of the most comfortablest. I mean, I don't even really feel like I have a wig on. It's so comfortable. So I will tell you that I like that. Second thing is the parting area. Take a look at that. It's really nice. I like the parting area. All I did was take a little bit of my Evelyn New York and take this and slick this piece down right here. And it blends in. To me, you can't even tell, like, that's not a frontal or something sewed down or something like that. It blended in perfectly well. I love the ombre on this. I like how it comes from this darker color and then it goes directly into the blondes. I like that. That's really cute. Let me give you a 360. This is the front. And I like the bang also. That's this side. In the back. And this side. Now, I think it's a solid wig. I think it's a wig to wear for a certain occasion with this color. If you got it in another color, it would be okay to wear maybe as an everyday wig, but not in the blonde. It just seems thick to me. I don't know. It just seems a little bit off, but it's still cute. It's still a cute wig. And I think that you probably could pin it up in some way also. And then, of course, if you wanted to do a tight ponytail for work, you will be able to do that as well and leave some out in the front. And it gives you a really good size ponytail. So I like that. See, it gives you a really good ponytail. Now let me see if you twist it up. Yeah, you could twist it up also if you just to wear it like to work or something. So I like that. So I think it's a solid wig. I don't think that it's bad. If it's something for a decent price, you should get. I will leave all the information in the description box below on purchasing. If you have not yet, please subscribe to the channel. And if you decide to share this video or any of my other videos on your social media, please do not forget to tag me in it. As you know by now, my name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.